My name is Aaron Parnell, the Posture Genius, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the most common myths about posture. Myth number one, putting your chest up is what good posture is supposed to look like. Let me explain to you. There are some muscles that go from ribs 2, 3, 4, and 5 up to the front corner of your shoulder blades. So all you need to do is pull the chest and shoulders open at the same time, pulling the shoulders back, and the chest will naturally come up all the time. So it's not chest up, it's shoulders back that will naturally lift your rib cage. That's myth number one. Myth number two, good posture starts in the chest. If it starts in the chest, the whole lower body isn't doing its job that it's supposed to do. In an ideal and perfect world, great posture starts at the pelvis, so that your pelvis is straight up and down on the side and it's level at the top. Creates a nice dynamically level base for your upper body to stay balanced and upright. So great posture is what you're gonna go for, and it starts here in the hips. Myth number three, if you wear a brace, it will make your posture good and you don't have to worry about anything else. In actuality, braces and wraps that do the job of holding you upright will actually cause more problems than they're solving. And what winds up happening over time is that your bones will actually get weaker and weaker and weaker to the point where they're actually causing more problems by wearing the brace than the problem you were originally trying to fix when you had poor posture. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that I can create the kind of videos that you need your support with to have great posture effortlessly all the time.